In most white-collar cases, information control is a key defense strategy. Keeping harmful evidence from being revealed is a big part of your defense lawyer's job, for his or her goal is to prevent issuance of a formal criminal charge. An experienced white-collar lawyer will implement information control in two ways. Preventive. Your lawyer will instruct you and any third party holding inculpatory information how to refrain from disclosing it to the government. Adversarial. Your lawyer will oppose the government's attempts to obtain or use the information. He or she might argue to an investigator that a subpoena is too burdensome, or to a judge that documents were improperly seized and so are inadmissible. To prepare for information control, your attorney will want to know what might be discovered if the government is completely successful in its investigation. Your attorney will also want to learn what information has already been found by the government and what additional information is likely to be located. Adverse information can be better controlled if you retain an experienced white-collar lawyer when the investigation begins or even before. The earlier you bring a lawyer into the case, the more opportunities he or she will have to argue that you have done nothing that warrants criminal prosecution, and so no indictment should issue.